wanted to bring you in the tunnel to show you my pride and joy. Look at this squash. It's actually a spaghetti squash, so the flesh inside when cooked separates into spaghetti-like strands. So it's an excellent low carbohydrate food as a replacement for spaghetti. They've done quite well this year. I've lost a lot through the lack of pollination. There's not been that many pollinating bees about, unfortunately. But nonetheless, I've got 1 or 2 on each plant. This is my best one. And then there's a baby one down here that's just growing. And then up here, we've got another one. That's a medium-sized one. And then in here, I've got another one. So, and this down here is a courgette that's gone crazy. We love marrow, so we're very pleased to have it anyway, and I should be cutting that this weekend. These courgettes are actually called Zephyr. You can see they're a two-tone. They have a green end and a yellow main body. A really, really pretty courgette to grow. It makes a change from just the yellow or the green ones we usually have. This is quite a sad one. This is a problem I've been having in the polytunnel and the greenhouse this year. We've had little fruits that haven't taken and have just rotted, or we've had ones like this that have grown a little bit but it just wants to come away. It's quite, I'm not 100% sure what's causing that, but it's a disaster. You lose the whole fruit. You may notice that I've got the spaghetti squash climbing up a cane, whereas the courgettes I've got low down. It's so I can grow more in a smaller space, but these are quite happy to romp up a cane, and you get them hanging like this, which is, I think, is lovely. I've also this year grown sweet peas on the same canes with them to encourage the pollinating insects in. Had some success, but as I say, the actual bees are very few and far between this year up here. I think it's the cold. So, just a quick update on what's been going on in the polytunnel. I want to show you my pride and joy. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time, it's bye from Valerie.